Hi guys, welcome to the second tutorial on PHP, and in this we're going to look at variables. Okay, so inside my PHP, okay, I've given a variable. They start with dollar sign and a name. So this this is basically a placeholder, and it's assigned to Mark. The age one is assigned to letter 12. Now if I want to echo that out, which means to print this out, I just put first of all the string text, which is my name is, and then close that off, my inverted commas, dot the variable name. And the same here with the age, dot the age. Now if I run this, I'm 100% certain I'm going to get my name is Mark, my age is 12. So I did run this already just to show you guys. My name is Mark, my age is 12. Okay, so you can do assignments for anything. With numbers, you don't have to use inverted commas. You're just using the numbers itself. Okay, so there you go. There's a quick one on how to assign variables with variables are shown here with placeholders, and you can assign any text you want. Then to echo them out, write it, it's always then dot the variable name, which will then print out the placeholder, which is 12 here and Mark here. Okay, thanks for joining me, guys. Simple enough. Catch you in lesson number 3. Bye bye.